Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Arabic. Every conversation starts with greeting. Firstly, when you meet someone, you will be say Assalamu alaikum. The other one will be say Wa alaikum assalam. Now, if you ask someone how are you in Arabic, you will be say Kayfa haluk. Kayfa haluk. To a man, it's Kayfa haluka. And to a woman, it will be Kayfa haluki. Other one will be say Ana bi khair. Ana bi khair. Alhamdulillah. If you want to ask the name of someone in Arabic, you will be say Masmuk. Masmuk or Ma ismuk. If you want to ask the name of a man, you will be say Ma ismuka, and to a woman you will be say Ma ismuki. If the other person is Ahmad, he will be say Ismi Ahmad. Or if the other person is Fatima, she will be said Ana Fatima. If you want to know where does the other person from, you will be say Min aina ant. If the other person is male, you will be say Min aina anta. And if she is a female, you will be say Min aina anti. Then the other person will be told you his birthplace. For example, Ana mina Saudiya or Ana min Pakistan. If you want to know the age of someone, you will be say Kam umruk. To a man, you will be say Kam umruka. And to a woman, you will be say Kam umruki. If the other person is 10 years old, he will be said Ana ashru sanawat. You see your age after Ana. If you want to know where does other person do his job, you will be say Aina ta'amal. To a woman, you will be say Aina ta'amalin. If the other person is working in an office, he will be say Ana a'malu fil maktab. Ana a'malu fil maktab. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.